Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your playlist picture on SoundCloud application or website. First of all, of course, you would like just to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but for you, you can use any other browser. Of course, then you would like just to go and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button. Of course, you don't need to write this discover, just type that, and that will actually be the page that it's going to take you to. So of course, first of all, you'd like to go and create your account if you don't have an account. But of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So of course, if you want, as we said, to change the profile or the picture of your playlist, let me just go here to my profile first of all. So let me just click at my name here and click at my profile, and of course I'm just going to click at playlist here. So as you can see, I already have one playlist here. And of course, if you don't have a playlist, all you need to do, you just go to any like song you've been listening to. So if you go here to home screen, you can just go and click on this, as you can see this song, and of course you would like just to click at playlist. If you don't have a playlist, you can just go and click at create a playlist here and make it public or private. Of course, enter a name and click at save, and you'll find it right here at your profile at playlist. So of course, if you want to change the picture of your playlist, just go and click at at edit right here. And of course, as you can see, we have the option of uploading an image. So if we click at upload image, as you can see, for you cannot see because I'm actually just recording the window. Of course, you can choose a picture from your folders on your PC, and you'll be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.